Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create glow effect on bulb in Adobe Illustrator by the help of gradient tool. This tutorial is little bit short, hope you enjoyed. So let's go to our tutorial. Yes viewers, this is my tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. If you are new, you have to subscribe it and press notification button and you will receive my new information about graphic design. You can follow me on my social accounts. Links are available on description box. This is for today. See you next time. Bye bye.